Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the 5 best Samsung S22 Ultra protective case you can buy Amazon. A phone case is a protective cover that is made of a hard material and covers the back, side, and front of the phone. It protects your phone from damage in the event of an accident. There are many different types of cases for Samsung Galaxy S22 available on the market. The most popular type is silicone, which offers a soft feel to it and also provides protection against scratches. Another type of case is plastic, which provides more protection than silicone, but it doesn't provide that soft feel to it like silicone does. Protective case: the best cases for their phones for a long time. The S22 Ultra protective case is one of the latest offerings from Samsung. This case offers the best protection to your phone. The case is made from high-quality materials and provides great protection against scratches, bumps, and shocks. It's also slim and lightweight, so it won't add too much bulk to your phone. Samsung S22 is a new phone that has just been released in the market. It has a really thin and light design. A protective case for a Samsung S22 is a necessary accessory for this phone. It will not only protect your phone from scratches and other damages, but also improve its look. Some people might think that the protective case is not necessary, but it's worth protecting your investment in the long run. Here on OnlyBetterOnes we are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research and new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. Number 5. Tori 3-in-1 Defender, designed for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra case. 5G 6.8-inch and 2-pack camera lens protector, military grade protection. Shockproof, slim, thin cover, crystal clear is the best protective case for your phone. It is specially designed for Samsung's Galaxy S22 phone with a crystal clear view and military grade protection. It protects your phone from drops and scratches. Protect your phone from the elements with Tori, the perfect case for all weather conditions. You can use this case in both its hard or soft form, depending on the level of protection you need. The 3-in-1 Defender is ultra lightweight and slim, yet resilient to withstand knocks and drops. Expect the same durable performance of our amazing Tori Armor series. It also efficiently manages heat dissipation and fingerprint, keeping your phone looking brand new. Provide 2-pack tempered glass camera lens protector that you can protect your phone 100% and will not affect the quality of the photo. Say goodbye to annoying fingerprints, stains or yellowing. This phone case uses a skin-friendly nano-oleophobic coating to achieve perfect grip and smoothness without worrying about slipping out. Minimal bulkiness for max protection, designed for Samsung S22 Ultra 5G to fit in pockets easily. Processed soft frame for enough grip but not sticky. Get comprehensive protection at once, S Pen compatible. Number 4. Cosmo. Say goodbye to the days of cracked screens, shattered phone cases, and phone malfunctions. Introducing Cosmo Ultra protective case for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. This case is made of high-quality polycarbonate and features our patent-pending screen protector. Cosmo is a protective case for the Samsung Galaxy S22 and is water-resistant, snowproof and dustproof. The built-in screen protector will keep your device safe from scratches and scrapes. Protect your expensive new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra phone with Cosmo heavy-duty case. It is made of high-quality polycarbonate material and has a transparent back panel that lets you see the original design of your S22 Ultra phone while protecting it from scratches, drops, and other damages. Built-in HD plastic screen protector, clear front and back casing provide 360-degree protection. Combination of TPU and polycarbonate for dual shockproof. Protect your Samsung S22 Ultra inch from drops and scratches. Reset your fingerprints after you put the case on. Read the instructions carefully and remove the protective film that's covering the fingerprint recognition area before you do anything. Snap-on design makes it fast and easy to install or take off in seconds. This slim S22 Ultra phone case suitable for daily use, also fit to outdoor. Number 3. Nilken. It's time to take your phone game to the next level. This durable and ultra-thin case with a slide camera cover is perfect for your Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. With the slim, lightweight design, you'll be able to take great pictures without worrying about your phone falling out of your hand. Put on this protective layer and never worry about scratches and other damages again. Is your phone camera taking poor quality photos? Worried about damaging your phone? Your camera is valuable, and so is the data on your device. Capture clearer pictures with the CamShield Pro case and also protect your phone against bumps, drops, and damages with our protective case. Don't forget your camera covers your phone's lens and sensor with an additional sliding filter to protect your camera lens and sensor. Slide camera cover to protect the camera from scratching, 0.2mm lifted bezel for camera protection. Non-slip design, non-slip bars on two sides. Tactile buttons for solid feedback and an easy press. Nilkan CamShield Pro cases don't just protect your device from the elements, it also guards against drops and bumps, so you can focus on looking good in all your photos. Number 2. Dux. Nilkan is a top brand mobile phone case manufacturer. Nilkan offer the best protective cases for your loved ones. Flip leather case with card holder provides a simple, stylish way to hold your credit cards, IDs, and other personal belongings. Compatible with Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G cover. Tough, lightweight, and ultra slim. It is made of high-quality PC material with a leather finish. The design of this case is thoughtful, refined and detailed. It is the perfect gift for your friends who love their Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G, Samsung's newest 6.8-inch device. The Dux Deuces for Samsung Galaxy S22 is tailor-made for your device. The phone case is made of high-class pool leather and PC material, which makes it durable, comfortable to touch and good-looking. The highlights are the flip magnetic phone case and card holder. No matter in which position you put your phone in, you can use your phone comfortably without a hassle. With ID card holder, this case provides all the functions of a wallet and a phone case in one. Tired of carrying your phone and your wallet? Cut the clutter and get the perfect protection for your device. With Dux Deuces series, you'll have the best protection for your phone and the timeless elegance, so you can be a step ahead of everyone else. Number 1. Supcase. It's time to step your game up. Get the most rugged and protective phone case out there that doesn't compromise on style. With Unicorn Beetle Pro Series case, you're getting a dual-layer case in a slim yet tough profile. Our built-in screen protector is scratch-resistant and can be used, wet or dry, thanks to its patented nano-coating technology. Dual-layer rugged holster and kickstand case without screen protector is all about protection, style, and durability. With this case on the phone, you can let your Galaxy S22 go for a swim or drop it from the top of a building without worry. The case provides full coverage protection from dust, dirt. The Unicorn Beetle Pro is the most comprehensive and sophisticated rugged case on the market. Built to serve as a protective armor for your Galaxy S22, it has a dual-layer design with a TPU inner layer and a polycarbonate outer layer with a built-in screen protector. The shock-resistant bumper provides full protection around the device while maintaining its slim profile. All of these features are designed to help you take on any challenge with this case. A dual-layer design combines a shock-absorbing TPU inner layer with a rugged polycarbonate hardshell to safeguard your device against serious falls, drops, and impacts. The built-in holster kickstand is perfect for watching movies,